This is lab number 14 for Mechatronics, the Processing GUI. This is part number 1, having a bouncing ball on a 600 by 600 frame, and then every time the ball bounces, it changes color. This is the code that we're going to be using to run it, so we'll just press run here, and it'll open up our field. And as you can see here, we have the ball bouncing around the corners. And each time the ball hits one of the edges, it changes to a random color. All right, this is part number 2 for the lab, having 3 squares that are 250 by 250, and each time you click them, it changes between the colors of black and red, black and yellow, or black and green. This is the code that we're going to be using to run it. And we will just click run here, and it'll open up, and all these squares start in black. Click this first one, it becomes red. Click the second one, it becomes green. Click the third one, it becomes yellow. Then we can click the yellow one again, it goes to black. Click the green one again, it goes to green, black. Click the red one again, it goes to black. You can click them in random sequences, switch them on and off as you please. All right, this is part number 3 for the lab, having a pendulum swinging with gravity and starting at a specific angle. In this case, the angle is 30 degrees. This is the code that we'll be using to run our pendulum. And if we click run here, it'll immediately start the pendulum swinging, and then it'll slowly come down to a stop. This is part number 4, having a square swing on a pendulum instead of a circle. This is the code we'll be using. It's very similar to the other pendulum code. And this is about the best I could do with the square. I could not get the line to center in the square, however.